in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download a Google slide presentation as a scalable vector graphic or SVG file. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is select the File tab at the top left, select Download, and then you want to select where it says Scalable Vector Graphics.svg, and it will apply to the current slide. You can do this for other slides or select additional slides here as well, and then select that option, and then open up the file once you're done, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope those will help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.